About how to my Java coding tutorial, and this is a repost because I actually forgot how to do some stuff about the if statements. And this is a repost. This is still part 3.0. There will still be a part 3.1, 3.2, etc. But yeah. So let's open VS Code. First we're going to do is statements of booleans. And I already did boolean, but in case people haven't seen this, the original, I'm going to go over again. So boolean. And you had to write double equal signs for if statements. I don't feel like explaining why double equal signs. I'm just going to tell you that you have to write them. Oh, oops, forgot semicolon. Well, what this should do is this. If the attendance is true, then it'll print good. If the attendance is false, then it'll print bad. So let's test it out. Okay, so it's true. Let's change that to false. Bad. And let me show you guys a trick. Go for falses. So I'm gonna change that back to true. Oops. You can also type in an exclamation point equal sign. My Java compiler makes that to a not equal sign. What is it? Truly. What? Okay. And you don't even have to write all of this. You can just write attendance. Oh. And I'm pretty sure it will still print out good. Yeah, see? And you can do the same. You can do the same thing with false. Let's wait. Oops, wrong line. You can simply add an exclamation mark if you want to make it false. And that way, you can save yourself some time. Still put good. Let me change it to false. Okay, so now we've gone over booleans. It's time for integers and doubles. Now first let's declare the variable int x equals equals. How about, I'm just gonna do some keyboard spam. Now make the okay, and how about int y equals okay. Hold on a second. Okay. So I can do if x plus y double equals sign 82. Oops. Okay, then I'm thinking. And you don't even need to use quotation marks. Marks, I'm pretty sure I forgot to teach that. And if x plus y does not equal 82. Oops. X plus y. Okay. Let me just delete that stuff. Now we do, and that, and then 80. Then we'll say 82. And we can, and let's make x and y have a value of 50. Should, in that case, it should write out 100. And yes, it's also the same thing for doubles. Yep. Okay, now we did ints and doubles. It's time to move on to strings. Let's say string message equals hello world. So can we write if message, and this time we don't write double equals sign. Instead, in fact, we don't even hit the space bar. We write dot equals parenthesis. Well, hello world. System print line hello world. Mode now if message wait and if, remember how I said with booleans that if you want to write out false you can just type in exclamation mark. Okay, then the variable, yeah, you can also do that with strings. And yeah, so let's run the code. Hello world. And let's make it something else. I'll just do keyboard spam. And yeah, so basically what the code did is just stored that the string message is whatever this is, and if the message reads hello world, then we'll print hello world. And if the message does not equal, don't mind that, that's my dog, then it will print out what message says. And chars have their own syntax for if statements. We will do that in part 3.1. So yeah, that concludes the Java tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye bye.